Hello everybody! Today we're going to continue our beauty series with one of the most common problems, nasolabial fold. Why does it occur? First of all, nasolabial fold occurs from having a habit of wrinkling your nose while showing discontent. Secondly, muscles that take part in forming nasolabial fold tend to be in overcontracted state for too long. Those overcontracted muscles cause swelling. They interrupt normal circulation, which results in lymph accumulation on your face, which actually causes swelling in different areas of your face. Lower side of the nasolabial fold is formed by overcontracted muscles that are moving corners of your lips and muscles on the side of your neck. It is important to define which type of nasolabial fold you have in order to pick a right treatment complex. A thread-like wrinkle located from the corner of your nose till the cheek muscle is a sign of a problem with muscles. This type of nasolabial fold is quite easy to eliminate, massaging circular muscle of the mouth and cheek muscles, as well as using intraoral and pinching massage techniques. On a fit face, this kind of nasolabial fold looks like a natural curve and not a defect. That's why it's important not to gain or lose weight too fast in the middle age. With a deformative type of aging, you would need to gain some patience while fighting nasolabial fold, since here you will need to work in a complex with your body posture, neck, do a massage of your aponeurosis, correct your lateral muscle of your nose, and ensure better lymphatic drainage. And after that, move on to the intraoral massage. So start off with exercises for your back and body posture, massage your aponeurosis, add a complex against swelling, there you boost your lymph nodes, and remove excessive liquid from your face. After that, move to your neck. Remove hypertonus of your neck muscles. All the links to exercises that I mentioned you'll find in the description below this video. And now you're finally going to work with the muscles that directly influence nasolabial fold formation. You're going to massage lateral muscle of your nose, since shortening of this muscle forms the top part of the nasolabial fold. With two of your fingers, massage the area of the corners of your nose in circular motions. Then move upwards along the muscle in the same circular motions. And after that, slowly slide down, stretching the muscle, and repeat this exercise again. Repeat it 3 times in total. And after that, proceed to removing cramp from the cheek muscle that forms middle part of the nasolabial fold. Use rubbing technique. For that, grab a fold of tissue in the middle of your face, next to your nose, and rub it with the inner sides of your fingers. This process can take up some time. When this fold gets away from your fingers, move your fingers to the side, grab a fold of tissue, and continue in the same way. Move along till the end of the muscle. After that, move on to the intraoral massage. This massage technique allows you to work through the nasolabial fold from the inner side of your mouth, softening the muscle and smoothing the wrinkle. Link to this massage will now appear here. If you found this video interesting, like it, subscribe to our channel and recommend it to your friends. Comment what are the topics you'd like to see on our channel.